Hi, welcome back. The Volvo is nearly finished now. Just been the last few things to sort out. MOT tomorrow. The number plates didn't have the proper screws in, so now front and rear have both got proper ones in. You can't really see it now, I've covered it up. There's a plug there where the wire had broken out for the fuel rail pressure sensor. That was giving a dodgy reading, and number 2 heater plug said that there was a fault with the circuit. I think it was just the plug wasn't on properly, so I've had all 5 out and tested them, they're all okay. So new clips in here, little pence off eBay, I think about £2 for a bag of 10. The spring clips in the back brakes are done, both sides, because if you do one you got to do the other. Spare wheel nuts, the extra wheel nuts hard to buy are here. And in the boot I gave it a bit of a clean, because the guy that used to own it, inside here was all full of screws and nails and building materials and rubble and grit and everything, so I've given it a clean out. I've got the customary moose, because Swedish, the flags and that for when you go to shows. Not that we've been any with this just yet. Give it a bit of a clean out in there. The carpet's marked, but it will clean up if I get round to vaxing it, but it's all hidden by the shelf. Same with the back plate. It does need new ones because I don't like the tags on the bottom. Plus this is rubbing on the paint along here, because you can see where it used to be, but the factory fittings have snapped off. So when I get new plates I'll just have to re-drill them in a slightly different place. To be honest, what I'll probably do is bond them on, like stick them on rather than that, because I'm not keen on screws, they look a bit rough. Inside's pretty much clean now, just need to the sheep's fell out again. He lives up in the top of the mirror up there, but he keeps dropping off. Obviously didn't want to be there. But yeah, it's pretty much done. Brakes have gone rusty already because after washed it, I gave it a quick wipe down with a snow foam off to get rid of the muck and ingrained dirt on it. It's not really made that much difference. Let's get rid of some of it, but once it cools down a bit, because it's been a black car, washing it in the heat, it's not ideal. But hopefully get a video of it getting cleaned up a little bit better than it is, and then another one for the MOT, or to and from the MOT. I got the grill back on, got a pair of horns in there, all the little niff-naff little bits, just bought them. Yeah, that corner still pops out. Does need a bit clicking back in, but it's alright for now. Worry about that later. Just want to get it MOT'd and use it. Changed insurance over on it. It's actually cheaper to tax and insure than the Rover 75. Both cheaper on tax and insurance. And also little things to check on your own insurance. It said, have you still got the box ticked saying children under 16? Yes. But obviously they classed them as a distraction in the car, because I took that off. It took £40 a year off. So now they're a bit older, they'll cost you money in different ways. But to keep an eye out on that next few weeks and get the Wartburg finished. Got a show for that in July, the end of July. Festival of the Unexceptional. Cars that basically poverty spec, beige, misery, or rare East German poverty spec. But nope. Anyway, hopefully the next part of this video will be an MOT pass, so we shall see what happens. Cheers.